Hello everybody and welcome to episode 8 of SpaceShooter. In this episode we will clear some of the code up, make it more efficient in its way of computing all the stuff and all this good stuff. So the first thing first, in game object we want to do, no, not in game object, an object handler. Just do this. If x is less than negative with, so if it's outside the screen, move. So we can just remove all those bullets that went out, so it doesn't have to like keep track of them. Alright. Game dot with plus dot height plus, and so like when this is the wrong game, I mean like game 1. Okay. Oops. I think we did something wrong. Yes, it shouldn't be smaller, it's greater than. So now everything works. But now the other player just got like destroyed. So when we shoot bullets now, we can't see it, but they actually disappear. Okay, so that's actually, we can also do something here. We want to create a new, not a new class, a new enumeration, and call it type. And we have a player, and then enemy, and a bullet. And that's all we need for the types right now. And GUI object, we'll just need a public final type. You know what? More like a private, protected. A protected, and we want a get type. Returns a type. All this is just some clarification, so we don't have to use instance of, which is not very good when you try to do something like that. Like, and well, all we need now is that type this dot type equals type. And so in SpaceShooter, just type in type dot bullet player type dot player an enemy. Wait, no. Enemy and then player type dot player. So yeah, that fixes it. So now in the bullets class we don't need the instance of. We just have to do GO dot type equals type dot enemy. So now it's like better, and all we need to now, once we try to figure out what type it is, just create a new type and assign it to it and stuff like that. Yeah. Okay, so now that everything is sort of clear, we are going to add a new class. We need so far in the game we can shoot down creatures, but they can't harm us. So they can't really harm us. Like, we can go like right through them and nothing would happen. So that's why we are just going to create a new private float health equals 100, cause that's what should be happening. And then now what we do is for what we call that again, game object GO and h dot get list if GO dot type equals type dot enemy health minus equals, well, I actually think we can do this a better way. Also create a get and set health, so health just source generate get and setters health. Okay, so now we can save this thing, and an enemy we want it to have a player. We might actually do something else, but right now just do that. Player and for GO object dot GO and inside h dot get list, list. In this case you need to use instance of because it's comparing the class and the type. Instance of player equals player GO, and we can break out of the loop. And inside here just need if get bounds dot intersects player dot get bounds, then player dot set health player dot get health 0.2. Put the F at the end. That means float. And now we need a new class inside our SpaceShooter Windows package because it also displays something. Hello GUI. Finish it. And we need a private player a private integer and width and a height equals 20. That's like how high and how long the GUI would be. A private float fraction, and now we just need a constructor. This player equals player, and then fraction equals width divided by player dot get health. Or is it the other way around? I believe it's this way. And then there's only gonna be like not much things here. Graphics G. So this is what will be drawing the GUI. G dot set color dot green, G dot draw. Fill rect 50 10 int player dot get health and height, and then we can just copy this, and instead of green, white, and instead of get health, and now we can actually, before we do that, multiply that by fraction and put that in brackets. And now just in our game method, we want a private GUI called GUI, and was new player, and now what we need to do is just simply, after we render O handler, we render GUI. And now when you run this, like, and not this is a draw rect, not a fill rect. So now, once you touch these stuff, your health goes down. So we just added a number called health, and we can still shoot them even though we're dead, technically. But we can't really lose because. But now when you see that once you get out of the screen, you sort of disappear. Like, you sort of disappear, the Eternal Doom. And the only way to bring it back is from GUI. So, you want to make sure that the player cannot get out of the screen. And all we need to do here is to type in if x is less than 0, x equals 0, if y is less than 0, then y equals 0, if x is greater than game dot width minus our width, then x equals this strange formula. And the same thing for y. Y height instead, and height. So now when you run this, you see that you can't get. Whoa, what just happened? Oh yes, and it's y here, not x. So now when we run this, you see that you cannot get out of the screen now. And you can still shoot stuff. And the bullets that go out of the screen, they will like disappear. And you sort of like just streamed to death. And yeah. Also, the game's pretty advanced right now. So let's make it version 1.1.0.0. They will all die. Okay. You can also make the enemies stronger, I guess, by like make them stronger. Oh no, I'm dying. Which actually makes the game actually sort of fun. Except the bullets are so powerful. But this is basically what happens, so yeah. So, and before I end this video, let's just add some health to the enemy too. Private, float, health. And five. Public and health. And now if of less than 0, h dot remove this. And now let's, instead of removing it, enemy geo dot health minus equals 1. So now it takes 5 hits to slay one. Yay! I died before that. And also, before we finish this video, create a heart-shaped drawing like this. And I'm just making a really pixely one because it doesn't need to be very like high definition. What is this doing here? Shoo. Oh, there's like 3 things. Discord. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. That's strange. And minimize everything. Create a heart-shaped image, save it in a res file as heart.png. And the GUI, create a private perfect image heart image heart image equals texture loader dot load image and heart. And so just g dot draw image heart image 10 10 20 20. All you guys become null. So type that in. Now I want to run a program. We've got a little heart there. I'll slay them all. Yeah, so now we just, as a last thing before I end this video, let's just speed them up. Let's just make them like much bigger. Okay, so let's have some fun. Whoa! I think I died. I'm killing them by the hundreds. Yes. Yeah, oh, I win, though I'm supposed to be dead by now. Oh. So, thanks for watching. Leave a like and go subscribe. And thanks for watching. I mentioned that before. So yeah, bye.